Think of an iceberg. I mean, it's a little bit cliche and it's been overdone. But if you think about an iceberg, what people see above the iceberg is your brand collaterals, it's your website, it's those kind of touch points, right? So this is what people see. Internal branding is what people don't see. It is your people, it's your beliefs, it's what you represent, and all that is what the world doesn't really see. I mean, they see it through the actions, through the external branding, but internal is always about being inside your organization. So examples of touch points inside an organization would be, for example, your people, your employees. It would be the kind of training programs that you get your people on board your brand. It would be heroes that represent your brand story. It would be rituals, symbols. So all these elements of what makes a brand really powerful is if they can get all this aligned to what they represent, get everyone on board, that's a sign of a truly world-class brand that's grown from within.